that it is, then try to understand that it is the very same time wherein the highest will begin to visit the world which he made. So the Most High is going to begin to visit the world that he made, man. All right? Which he made of the wicked people, of the righteous people, all right? Which everything is coming to pass, man, as you see now. All right? World War III, the RFID chip, all right? That it tells you in Revelation 13 and 16, all right? It's coming, all right? That's why you're seeing, that's why you're seeing, the uproars of the people, man. Matter of fact, it goes into it.
Nah, nigga,
right? Hey, brother, stop, brother. Just calm down, all right, brother? Calm down, all right? Calm down, bro.
Is it filming?
All right? Okay, this is the word of the Lord going on here, all right, brother? You better hope that the Most High don't kill you, bro. Calm down, all right? This is, okay? So, that's what's going on, man. The uproars of the people. Okay?
They made a high time?
This is Second Esdras.
I'm the only one
9 and 2. Then shall they understand.
Yeah.
It is the very same time.
Yeah.
We're in the highest.
Yeah.
Yahweh Bashim Yahweh Bashim Kor HaKodash. Shalom Krayam. We better chill out, bro. I'm out here preaching the word, bro. You better chill out, brother. You seeing all these police shootings, all these shooting that's going on in schools, brother. You might be next, bro.
Yeah.
Chill out, bro.
Yeah.
All right?
His camera's on you, man.
Highest will begin to visit the world which he made. All right? This is Second Esdras 9 and 3. Therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes and uproars of the people, in which the world of the people in the world, yeah, man. All right, now you see the uproars of the people. All right, that's some wicked little Israelites. All right, there might be some wicked jakes too, man. All right, but they doing too much, man. All right. The Second Esdras 9 and 3. Therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes and uproars of the people in the world, man. And right now you're seeing uproars of the people in the world, man. All right, you're seeing the shooting. All right, you're seeing the floods. All right, you're seeing the earthquakes. You're seeing the wildfires. All right. You're seeing what's going on in the world, man. All right, and it's gonna be more hell. All right, hell have enlarged yourself in this wicked place. All right, thus saith the Lord, man. Okay. Second Esdras 9 and 4. Then shalt thou well understand that the Most High spake of those things from the days that were before thee, even from the beginning. Yeah, man, even from the beginning, man. All right? From the beginning of the Tower of Moses, man. Okay?
Flatbush.
That
Flatbush coming off.
it's going to be destined that America's going to be destroyed, man. All right? America's going to be destroyed with nuclear ICBM missiles, man. All right? World War III is here, man. All right?
Flatbush. Flatbush up. Flatbush.
Second Esdras 9 and 5. For like as all that is made in the world have a beginning and an end. All right? And the end is manifest. The end is manifest, man. We are approaching the end of this wicked rulership. All right? All right? Because it tells you that Esau is the end of the world. Matter of fact, I'm going to get there. Second Esdras 6 and 9. Yeah. Second Esdras 6 and 8. And he said unto me, from Abraham unto Isaac, when Jacob and Esau were born. All right, that's the chosen line right there. All right? Abraham, all right, Lord's father. Isaac, which means laughter. Jacob, which means supplant. Esau, which means wasted away. But the chosen land is Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. All right? Because Jacob's name was changed to Israel. All right? And Israel is the one that's chosen, man. Israel is the one that's of the 12 tribes of Israel, man. The so-called blacks, Hispanics, and Native Americans, man. All right? Those are the ones that's going to understand what's going on, man. All right? When Jacob and Esau were born, of him, Jacob's hand held first heel of Esau. All right? And that's what they held first. When the twins, the fraternal twins were born, Jacob and Esau, Esau came out first, all right, and then Jacob came out, all right, and then he tells you, it gets descriptive on how Esau looked, all right, red, hairy all over like a hairy garment, man, all right, that's what happened, man,
Right here.
okay. 2 Corinthians 6 and 9. But Esau is the end of the world. Alright, so notice it shows you that it's different worlds, man. The end of the world, man. And Jacob is the beginning of it that followeth. Alright? Jacob is the beginning of it that followeth, man. Alright? Because it's gonna be a global reset, man. Alright? Because why? Because the so-called white man's heaven is the so-called black man's hell. Okay? And the Most High is going to change that, man. Alright? There's going to be real change here, man. Alright? Alright? Not that Barack Obama bullshit. There's going to be a real change here in America, man. Alright? Not that damn sellout, man. Okay?
Oh yeah, please go.
This is Daniel. Daniel 7 and 18. But the saints of the Most High shall take the kingdom and possess it. This is Daniel 7 and 18. But the saints of the Most High shall take the kingdom and possess it, and possess the kingdom forever, even forever and ever. Yeah, man. I tell you, the saints of the Most High is going to possess the kingdom, man. All right? The next people to rule is the people on this side. 12 tribes of Israel, man. Okay? Who are the saints?
Let's hold up. Right there. Keep clouds up. What's going on?
Get that in Psalms 147. Yeah.
I see her. Yeah.
In Psalms 148. In Psalms 148 and 13. Let them praise the name of the Lord. For the name alone is excellent. His glory is above the earth and heaven. Yeah, man. His glory is above the earth and heaven, man. All right, that's what's gonna happen, man. All right, the word of the Most High, man. Okay. All right. That's what's gonna go on, man. Okay. Psalms 148 and 14. He exalteth the horn of his people. All right, and that horn represents rulership. Okay. That's what it represents, of rulership, man. The praise of all his saints. All right, the saints of the Most High is the 12 tribes of Israel, man. the so-called blacks, Hispanics, and Native Americans, man. The ones that was on that cargo slave ships, all right? That they're not teaching the people at schools, all right? All right, they're not teaching you that, all right? Your mom, your dad, they're not teaching you that. Why? Because they're lost too, all right? Okay? Because all they know is America, okay? They don't know nothing else, man. America changing our black boys into faggots, all right? Changing our black boys into gangsters, all right? But mama, she don't see that though, all right? All she cares about is Pastor Porkchop, what he's saying. Donald Trump, Barack Obama, all right? But she ain't do a damn thing for black people, all right? Matter of fact, he's the one that passed gay marriage, all right? Now telling the people the truth, man, okay? We better worry about a cop not shooting your son down, man. You better hope that he come back to the Lord, man, because only the Lord is gonna help him that day, man. All right? We're the main targets, man. The so-called white man, he don't gotta deal with that. We're the main targets out here, man. We're the ones that's going to filling up the jail cells, man. You don't see what's going on? Are you blind or something? This is the so-called white man's kingdom, man. The white man's kingdom is the black man's hell, man. You better wake up, man. He owns Citibank. He owns a Barclays Center. He owns damn Target, man. We don't own nothing here. We don't have nothing here, man. Our people came here to serve hardcore slavery, man. And we still serving hardcore slavery, man. To this day. Just like Deontay Wilder said, to this day, we're still serving hardcore slavery, man. People don't know what the hell is going on, though. You see what all these school shootings going on? You see what this damn devil is doing, man? That's why you got climate change. Global warming is going on. So this damn devil don't keep the land Sabbath. And the Bible tells you to keep the land Sabbath. That's why you gotta go to Whole Foods. Whole Foods is nothing better anyways. Our people fighting over a damn chicken sandwich. Killing each other over a damn chicken sandwich, man. That's black people, man. Y'all people as dumb as can be, man. Pastor Porkchop is not gonna tell you that. Only Pastor Porkchop wants is your money. Probably wanna sleep with your girl too, man. A damn adulterer, man. The Psalms 148 and 14. He also exalted the heart of his people, the praise of all his saints, even the children of Israel, a people near unto him. Praise ye the Lord, man. Yeah, man. It tells you the children of Israel is the people that's near unto him. All right? The Most High loved the nation of Israel. All right? It tells you that. Matter of fact, let me get it. But in the church, all they teach you that God is love. All right? God also hates, man. Okay? This is Amos 5 and 15. Hate the evil and love the good, and establish judgment in the gate. It may be that the Lord, the Yahweh of hosts, will be gracious unto the remnant of Joseph. Yeah, man. Unto the remnant of Joseph. All right? Which is basically Israel. All right? Because, which represents the tribe of Ephraim. All right? Joseph means, in the Hebrew, he will add. Okay? He added Ephraim, Manasseh. All right? All right? The Most High hates, man. The Most High hated for all workers of iniquity. All right, let me get that Psalms. This is Psalms 5 and 5. The foolish cannot stand in thy sight. Thou hatest of iniquity. And iniquity means sin. Iniquity means sign of wicked, man. Okay? Alright? Most High hates all workers of iniquity. Alright? So it's best that you come back to the Lord, man. In these last days, man. Alright? Because America's going to be hit with nuclear fire, brother. America's going to be destroyed, brother. You know that? Tell them to come back to the Lord, man. Alright? You see how people are killing each other over a chicken sandwich? It's done here, man. Alright? So, that's what's going on, man. A bunch of folly is going on here in America, man. Okay? Matter of fact, let me get that. This is Ecclesiastes. Ecclesiastes 10:6. Folly is set in great dignity. Yeah, man. Folly is set in great dignity here in America, man. All right? Folly is what our people are interested in. All right? Seeing a bunch of folly on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, World Star, you know? A bunch of folly, man. It's being set up on our, matter of fact, it goes into it. Ecclesiastes 10:6. Folly is set in great dignity, and the rich sit in a low place. Yeah, man, who is the rich? The rich is of the 12 tribes of Israel. Okay? The ones that are rich in faith.
Flags going up. That's probably it. Right?
Who's that are rich in faith, man?
Flag come through.
They're the ones that is gonna get it.
Everybody.
Okay?
Go.
Let me get that.
James
2:5. James 2:5. James 2:5.
What do you call it?
James 2:5. Hearken, my beloved brethren, have not the Most High chosen the poor of this world, rich in faith. Yeah, man. The ones that are rich in faith. All right? And faith means believing. All right? Okay? I was in Golden Cross, and this guy was I think he worked there. He was talking about yo, we've been waiting like 1,000 years. We've been waiting 1,000 years when his so-called Jesus is coming back. All right? You have to wait, man. I told him that you can't lose faith. You have to wait. Okay? You have to wait. All right? Okay? You can't lose faith, man. Why? Because he didn't lose faith in us. All right? The Most High loved us so much that he gave us his son, man. Yahushua. All right? Who people only call Jesus Christ. All right? And he was a so-called black man, man. Brown-skinned man with woolly hair. Okay? He wasn't no damn cracker, man. Okay? All right? This is James 2:5. Hearken. Hearken means to listen. And that's what our people fail to do. They fail to listen, man. All right? Listen out to the word of the Most High. And don't follow the ways of this so-called white man, man. All right? My beloved brethren, all right? James said his beloved brethren. And who is his beloved brethren, man? His beloved brethren is of the 12 tribes of Israel. Okay? Come back to the Lord, brother. While you still have time. We're in the last days, bro. This place is about to be hit with nuclear fire. During World War III, Russia is going to blow America off the map. Okay? Have not the Most High chosen the poor of this world, rich in faith, the heirs of the kingdom, which he had promised to them that love him, man. Which he had promised to them that love him, man. All right, and what is love? Love is keeping the law, statutes, and commandments, man. That's what love is. All right? Matter of fact, I'm going to get that. 1 John 2 and 5. 1 John 2 and 3. No. 1 John 5 and 3. This 1 John 5 and 3. But this is love of the Most High, that we keep His commandments. And His commandments are not grievous. Yeah, man. His commandments are not grievous, man. He tell you to don't commit adultery. He tell you don't commit homosexuality. He tell you keep your beard. He tell you sisters to wear a dress. Have your hair covered. All right? He tell you to submit yourself unto your husband, sister. All right? To your husband. All right? Not out here being a whore. Okay? He tell you to don't eat pork. All right? Why? Because pork is gonna mess up your arteries, man. All right? You don't eat that pig, man. Okay? That pig make us sick, man. All right? That's what the so-called white man likes. He likes that pig. And our black men need to wake up, man. All right? And come back to the Lord, brother. And separate yourself from your enemy. You see what's going on with Rodney Reed? Get out, brother. Get out while you still have a chance. These white people will get us killed, man. Okay? So, come back to the Lord, man. Okay? Come back to the true power. All right? And that's the power of Israel, man. All right? It's of the 12 tribes of Israel, the so-called blacks, so-called Hispanics, and so-called Native Americans, man. All right, shalom, brother. They're of that 12, man. Okay? And a lot of them, they don't know that because they've been discontinued from their heritage. All right? They lost their identity here in America. All right? You ask the so-called black man, what's your nationality? He's probably going to say, I'm black. You're not black. All right? Okay? You are different shades of brown. Okay? If anything. All right? You are the 12 tribes of Israel. That's what you are. Okay? John 5 and 4. For whatsoever is born of the Most High overcometh the world. Yeah, man. You have to overcome the world, man. All right? The world of the so-called white man. Okay? That got our people going astray. They got our sisters losing their way also, man. All right? Now she want to date the so-called white man. And the white man is a fucking devil, man. Okay? He's the devil, man. And devil means deceiver. All right? He deceive our people, man. All right? All right? That's why a lot of our people are still stuck in the matrix, man. A lot of our black men are turning into faggots. Okay? And that's what's going on, man. They know it's true, man. Every damn way I see a damn dyke. I see a damn transsexual. What the hell is going on, man? You have to get out of that madness, man. I had to get out of that madness, man. Okay? I was out here sinning. All right?
Or it should.
Okay? Why? Because we lost our identity, man. Okay? We lost our way. Okay? A lot of our brothers, they need to get out, man. Get out while you still have a chance, brother. All right? So-called white man think it's a joke, man. It ain't gonna be a joke when we put damn chains around your damn neck, man. And chains around your damn ankles, man. And chains around your damn wrists, man. Like you have my people, man. All right? Your people done the most wickedest stuff on the damn earth, man. All right? And y'all haven't been gone to trial for it. Okay? But it's gonna be a big change, man. All right? That so-called white bitch only got 10 years for murdering that black man, man. All right? There's gonna be a real change here in America, man. All right? Both damn John, man. And his damn brother had the nerve to hug that white bitch, man. All right? That's because our people are lost, man. You forgot who the enemy is. You're a bunch of sellouts, man. why the Most High said this world is foolishness, man. Matter of fact, let me get it. This is 1 Corinthians 3:19. For the wisdom of this world is foolishness with the Most High. The wisdom of this world is foolishness with God, man. It's foolishness with the Most High. All right? The wisdom in this world, we have our people killed, man. All right? Now they want to kill our sisters, man. You see what happened to that girl in Texas? That policeman just shot her right through the window, man. All right? I need to wake up, man. You might be next. You need to come back to the Lord, sisters. All right? Separate yourself from your enemy. Okay? We have enemies here in America. And it's their filthy land. All right? Man, excuse my French, man. That's that passion within me, man. All right? All right? Surely oppression make up a wise man mad. Okay? First Corinthians 3:19. For the wisdom of this world is foolishness with the Most High. For it is written that he take up their wives and their own craftiness. Yeah, man, that's what's gonna happen, man. He's about to take up the wives and their own craftiness, man. All right. The nuclear missiles that they're doing, that they're building, is gonna backfire on them. All right. Because Russia's not gonna be the next superpower, man. North Korea's not gonna be the next superpower, man. All right. It's gonna be up to 12. 12 tribes in Israel, man. That's gonna be the next superpower, man. That's what the next people to rule this earth. All right. It's gonna be up to 12. All right. 1 Corinthians 3:20. And again, the Lord knows the thoughts of the wise, that they are vain. Yeah, man. That they are vain. Okay? All right? Look at the word vain. Ability or work. Yeah, man. Producing no result. Useless, yeah, man. It's a person, it's something that's useless, man. All right? All right? Yeah, man, they feel so useless, man. All right? They want to go out to the moon, all right? Elon Musk, you want to go out to Mars and all that madness. That's so useless, man. The Most High is going to shut you down, man. We're going into the heavens, man. All right? For doing that madness that you did, man. That's what's going to go down, man. It's going to be the real Miami Heat, man. It's coming down, man. All right? And that's just spirits right there, man. That's uproars of the people right there, man. And America made our people sick, man. All right, thus saith the Lord, man. Okay? It made our people to err. Made our people do error here in America. This is matter of fact, let me get that in Ecclesiastes. This is Ecclesiastes 7:7. Surely oppression make up a wise man mad, and a gift destroys the heart. Yeah, man. Surely oppression make up a wise man mad. Here, if you gotta be angry, man. America's done, man. America's filthy, man. America make you angry, man. Homelessness. Give losing their homes. People are losing their minds. That's a homeless man right there. All right? To turn our men into faggots, man. What's going on here in America, man? And the black man is not angry. The black man turned into a softy, man. And he still don't know what's going on. So a cop works with your damn head. Ecclesiastes 7:7. Surely oppression make up a wise man mad. Yeah, man. Surely oppression make up a wise man mad. Okay? You gotta be angry in this damn wicked place, man. This place, man, how people lose their way, man. Turn out people to have people bugged out. Let's get the word oppression. Oppression, prolonged, cruel, unjust treatment. Unjust treatment, man. And who been unjust treated more than the so-called black man or the Hispanics? And the sisters think it's a joke. Ain't no damn joke, sister. All right? On control, man. Persecution, abuse. We've been through persecution. We've been through abuse here in America. All right? We're the ones that's happening to, man. Ill treatment, maltreatment, tyranny, suppression, cruelty, injustice. That's the injustice, man. All right? Pain, anguish, suffering, misery, hardship. We're the ones that's happening to, man. Hardship, misery, the shootouts, all right? California shooting, all right? That's going on with our people, man. All right, the so-called Chinese man, he don't got to deal with that. The so-called white man, he don't got to deal with that. All right, it's us that's dealing with that. It's us that don't want to know who we are. All right, that lost our identity here in America. All right, we're the ones that's suffering, man. All right, that's why I tell you, get it. Ecclesiastes 7:7. Surely oppression make up a wise man mad. Yeah, man. Oppression make up a wise man mad. All right. If you're a wise man, you should be. You should be angry, man. You should be angry in this wicked place called America, man. All right. And America means bitter. All right. It's named after an Italian pioneer, meaning Amerigo Vespucci. Okay. So we are not Americans. All right. We ain't no damn Americans, man. All right? We are Hebrew Israelites. Hebrew is a language, and Israelite is a nationality. Okay, that's what we really are. All right, you so-called